Look, can you hear it? There's a storm rolling in. So it's probably been like a month since we actually had some real rain. And we're basically just getting all of our water to keep our plants watered right now. I'm just right out back here, keeping all our plants watered with drip irrigation. So hoping that this storm comes in and gets us some rain. One of the really cool things when you're laying out your homestead, your backyard, anything like that, is think about where the rain goes. So when a big storm like this comes in, go outside, be safe. If there's lightning, don't go outside, but be safe and watch the patterns of your water. One of the big things in permaculture is slowing water down. So in a big rainstorm, I'll go out and go for a walk and look for where the rain is, and then we'll set up ways to slow that water so that it slows down and just stops and sinks in where it is. And when you see that, it's amazing what a difference it can make. In fact, I'll take you out front and show you what it's doing in our front yard. Okay, so check this out. You see that line that goes right along there? We had a trench dug that comes from the house and it goes all the way up to that shed. This line's not even in contour, which means that it's not exactly level with the land. Like level with the land would probably be something like this. And that would be the optimal, but the grass on this side of the trench where the water actually comes in and slows down, look at that. It's no different. Man, you hear that thunder? That's crazy. Abraham, where'd you go? It's getting ready to rain. Yeah. This trench, this side and this side, I've done nothing different. But look at that. If you walk along there, the difference between green grass and no grass is just that trench. The water comes down off of this hill and hits this trench, kind of like that. And it slows down enough that on this side of the trench, the ground and everything has that much more water. Not a big difference in water because really the water's coming down and along here, but it's enough of a difference that the grass is really growing a lot different. I mean, that's crazy to me. But yeah, so just think about that next rainstorm. Be safe, but step outside, take a look at where the water's going. And there goes Abraham again. He doesn't like this thunder. Take a look at where the water's going and see what you can do to put some plants in it. Do different things like that to slow the water down and let it soak into the landscape. That way you don't need as much water when you're watering your yard. If you do that, it also helps your plants grow better. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with you and give you some thoughts there.